One question on FY24 from an input cost perspective and what it could mean for operational metrics, because one, just higher sales by themselves lead to better margins, which I believe would have in some part played in Q4. Now, are these the normalized margins for you, and can they improve if the input costs keep on showing a slight declining trend during the course of the year?
Yeah, if you look at commodity prices today, it is somewhere around Q4 prices of FY22.
Okay.
So it is, but it is still not at the levels of Q2 or Q3 or FY22. That is, the September of 2021. It is not there yet. So we expect some more cooling off of material prices to happen, and that should help us with the contribution. Yes.
So your average range, if I'm not wrong, Anthony, used to be 13, 14 in the recent past. You've clocked in 16.9, which is virtually 17. Is that the new normal, and would you improve or build upon it?
What I have given as a range in the last financial year was 12 to 14%, and we are very much within the range cumulatively. And of course, there will be seasonal differences quarter to quarter. We are in the agriculture segment, so there is seasons. The scale will definitely benefit in terms of, but cumulatively we'll be in the 12 to 14%. This year we are looking at 11 to 13%. That is purely from an investment perspective. I don't think the contributions are going to change, but it is purely going to be more expenses to get into newer markets, expanding globally.
My final question on the interview, since vagaries of nature are not a risk because you're accounting for that, what is the big risk, if any, to these targets that you have?
I think the key aspect is going to be our ability to execute on our plans, and that is critical with the competitive scenario in the country and across the globe. That is going to be critical to ensure that the growth momentum is sustained, the necessary resources are acquired early, because at this growth rate there is a lot of competencies and a lot of resources that we need to acquire to enable it to happen, and the execution of that is going to be the key challenge for us going forward.